Hey guys, my name is the Mighty. What did I just? Okay. My name is the Mighty Frog, and today we're gonna be playing ZOMBS Royale. This is a very, very, very fun game. It's kind of like Fortnite, but it's easier because I'm horrible at Fortnite. So let's play. Let's just start off in solo. Maybe do one of those things. I don't know. I don't have the best Wi-Fi right now, so it might. Ethan, I know you're there. It might not be the best gameplay, but so let's just go. I guess. Let's go near the lake. Yeah. Let's just wait. Actually, let's just pick this up. I don't like going places far because everything good is gone. Let's just kill you. Okay. Okay, this hasn't been looted yet, but it's going to be because I'm looting it. Check over here. I'm running to space. Nothing. I don't have anything. Oh my God, you're right there. I'm not gonna deal with you right now. Let me just die. Okay, good. I don't have. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get that. Let's just. It's hard to see with my webcam. Why am I doing this? I can just. So much more easy, and that guy's gonna come in here. So I better get ready. No, he's not. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Where is that guy? Let's just open this up. I really don't have anything good. It would be nice if I found a scar. Ooh, that's a pretty nice one. Oh, you're right there. Ugh. My highest rank, I don't know what I call it, is 8th place, I think. No, 5th. Yeah, 5th. Let's just wait for this, because that is very bad. My, thing, is that where the camera, I think it is, okay. No, hold on. Let's do weaponry. So you have to kill people to get better weapons, and there's something here for. I'll just show you. And it just jumps right into it. So I'm just trying to find out. Oh yeah. Oh, the lag! I hate the lag. As I said, the Wi-Fi isn't good. No. I just want to find someone. I hate this! Oh my gosh! Why? The lag is too bad. I think I can just do like a proper game because it's not working. It's just freezing for like a second like that. And it just moves right into the game development. No, I don't like this guy. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. So it doesn't like I'm just gonna move my face a little. It doesn't like you don't like just die and that's the end of it. Like you see what I'm talking about? And I somehow killed him. Ugh. I'm horrible at this. After this, we'll just do another solo. And yeah, 5 minutes in. Pretty good. Why am I sitting here? See what I mean? It's horrible. This is what I mean. What are you doing? Well, what am I doing? He was just a nub. And I am too. This is what I'm talking about. It doesn't. Oh my gosh. No, I don't like this gun. No. Ah! I hate that. My face cam. I don't like 17. 17 is horrible. I don't. That's why I don't like this mode. This mode. I just don't like this mode. So oh my gosh. Yes, I got Emily. Oh yes, I've upgraded. Oh my gosh, I hate that gun. Oh my, what's going on here? Bye bye. Ugh, I didn't have that much health either. I like this gun. Good. Whoa, I don't like this mode because it keeps lagging. I don't know why, but something's wrong with this or the Wi-Fi. I don't know which one it is, but I don't like it. Get out of here. Oh my, I did not realize there were 2 people in there. Oh, I didn't notice I upgraded. That's why I don't like this. No, no. Okay. I don't like this gun. I don't like the ones where they have like that. Come at me, bro. And yes, my name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Oh my. I'm in 25th place. That's good. Someone in here. Hello, everyone. Where are you, people? 14 today. Oh my. I don't. I think I've upgraded. Yeah, I have upgraded. It's the one I like this one. I actually. No. This is a very long one. Where is that? Oh my gosh, spawn killed. Wait, how did I miss that? I like shot him like up and then down. Oh my gosh. Where is the end of this? Get. Oh, I can't reach. Great. Nope. That's what I mean. You see what just happened? Yes, got it. Oh, I've upgraded. Ah! Rage! If you're like new to Fortnite and you do not know how to play, I recommend this game because it's like easy and you can like practice on it. Why am I not killing you yet there? And that's what I am. I'm new to Fortnite and I'm horrible at it. Wait. That guy should have died. I should have killed that guy. Yeah, exactly. That was like that. That was a good kill. That's what I mean! You see that? Do you see it, people? And I don't like this face cam because it's showing me the other way. It's not showing me correctly. When I look right, it looks like I'm looking left. Look. I'm actually looking left instead of right. Yes, the game is over. Okay. Let's just do solo and wait. How long are we in? 11. Yeah. Let's just do a quick solo round and I'll call it then. Because like on my computer, I can't do more than 15 minutes of recording. So, yeah, kind of bad. I'll look for another recording thing, or I'll just buy one like that. Like I can just buy this because like I'll have infinite time. Let's get that crate. I don't know why I'm so excited about that crate, but I know I want it. And there was a very, very good fix. Oh my gosh, pick it up! Why am I not picking it up? Pick it up! What? This game cheats! I call hacks. I call hacks on that guy. Bye. Ooh, I like it. Where's this guy? I can't. Wait, why? Die! No. Oh, the storm. Wait, what's ammo? Hopefully that was my ammo that I need. I think it is, yeah. I'm pretty sure I have more ammo. Is that a scar? Yeah, let's get that, baby. I love scars. Wait, there's another one. Common AI. Okay, no, I'm not getting it, but it's pretty good. If you want to see me do another video of this, then please hit the like button, because that'll show that I will do. Die. Wait, did someone just shoot at me? I have 1 more minute left. Great. Let's just get that. No, not that. Okay. Wait, did I just drop my scar? I did. I don't know what I did there. I did. I don't think I'm going to be able to end this video properly, because I never do, because I'm always in the middle of a game when I do it. So I'm just going to let this guy kill me. Here's a free kill. Kill me! I need to do it. Just kill me! Are you going to kill me, or am I going to kill you, huh? Get me, okay? Okay, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Yeah! Oh my gosh, that was cool. Bye!